How to resolve live football playback errors on YouTube TV. Experiencing playback errors while watching live football on YouTube TV can be frustrating. To troubleshoot and resolve these issues, follow these steps. Step number 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure stability. A stable internet connection is crucial for streaming. Test speed. Verify that your connection meets YouTube TV's minimum requirement of 3 megabits per second for optimal viewing. Step number 2. Restart a YouTube TV app. Close and reopen. Exit the YouTube TV app completely and then reopen it to refresh the session. Step number 3. Update the YouTube TV app and device software. Check for updates. Ensure both the YouTube TV app and your device's operating system are up to date to prevent compatibility issues. Clear app cache and data. For mobile devices. Access settings. Go to your device's settings, find the YouTube TV app and clear its cache and data. Number 5. Restart your device. Power cycle. Turn off your device, wait for 30 seconds, and then turn it back on to resolve temporary glitches. Number 6. Verify location settings. Update playback area. Ensure your device's location settings are accurate, as YouTube TV uses this information to determine available content. Number 7. Check for service outages. Monitor service status. Occasionally, YouTube TV may experience outages. Check platforms like Down Detector for real-time updates. Number 8. Contact YouTube TV support. Seek assistance. If issues persist, reach out to YouTube TV's support team for personalized help.